5 centuries have passed, yet the curiosity and awe felt in this place remain unchanged. Welcome to Santa Maria delle Grazie, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and home to one of the most famous masterpieces in art history, Leonardo da Vinci's The Last Supper. This grand basilica was transformed by the visionary architect Bramante under the commission of Ludovico il Moro. Hidden within a modest Dominican convent's refectory wall lies an artistic marvel that continues to inspire visitors from around the world. But how do we truly see this masterpiece? Through the eyes of its genius creator, who wished to capture a singular moment, the precise instant when the 12 apostles hear their master say, "One of you will betray me." Or perhaps through the eyes of an art student, captivated by Da Vinci's exceptional use of perspective and light, extending the real space into the imagined one. Notice the soft transitions, the unfinished landscapes, and the elusive expressions of the apostles, all of which reflect Da Vinci's revolutionary techniques. Maybe we observe it through the attentive eyes of a restorer, who meticulously breathes new life into the fresco, revealing its original colors with infinite patience. Or perhaps as an art historian, moved by the reappearance of the twilight sky in the background, a symbolic return to Da Vinci's vision. This sublime masterpiece is not just an extraordinary representation of emotion on a monumental scale, it's considered the first act of modern art. Through its delicate expressions, the fleeting gestures, and the vivid composition, The Last Supper never ceases to evoke emotion in all who encounter it. Leonardo's Last Supper stands as an immortal symbol of art and humanity, a testament to the enduring power of a masterpiece. From Italy's heritage to the world's legacy, this UNESCO site reminds us of the universal beauty found in our shared history. Thank you for watching. To explore more, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for our next journey through Italy's incredible UNESCO World Heritage sites.